Nice and loud.
Been too long.
With gusto.
But should we?
But
Okay. Hi.
All right. Hey, you want to do the intro? Welcome to
another episode of Fish and Fly with Gus. My name is Esther. This is Gus. And this is our adventure.
All right, let's try it again. Look at that beautiful cutthroat trout, baby. Well, hello, fellow adventurers, and thank you for tuning in. I'm coming to you from beautiful Kingston, Washington, where the sun is shining, the salmon are running, and the ferries are going strong. We've got the awesome country cabin vibe going on here, and it's a great day for an adventure. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed the Montana Wilderness Adventure trailer. So far, the feedback on that has been incredible. Having a ton of fun putting that entire 4-part adventure series together now, and with a little bit of luck, might have some help from the crew in writing and narrating that series. So stay tuned, it is coming. So after the Bob, Dominic, Mike, Esther, and Julie and I took a few days to travel and explore all over remote Idaho and beyond. We had an incredible time. So if you enjoy some beautiful mountain scenery and some fantastic trout fishing, today's video is the video for you. This is going to be broken into 2 parts. The first one is this video called Going with Gusto, and part 2 is really exciting. It's called Awakening Giants, Big Rainbows in Remote Rivers with Dominic McKenzie. So okay, my adventurous fishers, folks, friends, and fellows, sit back, relax, and enjoy today's video, Going with Gusto.
WNBC. Like a WNBC. That's pig vomit telling Howard Stern how to say WNBC.
His name is Pig Vomit?
That's what Howard Stern called him.
Oh, really?
Was,
who's he referring to?
Paul Giamatti.
Oh,
it
nice.
was kind of like his direct supervisor at this radio station. He's just an absolute jerk. You can picture it, right?
Yeah.
Paul Giamatti.
Yeah, Paul Giamatti. Love it. Yeah, go get him. That's where we're gonna focus. We want a natural breath, so we want lots of line out. So that thing can, there we go. Look at that. Hey, Esther's got the first fish.
Hi, fish. Oh, beautiful.
All right, there you go. Get him on the hook.
All right,
Oh.
I got.
Looks like he came out.
There.
Oh,
Perfect. Oh, okay, bye, fish.
nice job. Nicely done. That's a nice fish. Face him. Put your feet, square him up. Face him. There you go. Bring him right to me. Nicely done, Essie. Nicely done. What do you think?
Oh, beautiful. Oh my gosh, what a pretty fish.
Look here. Essie with a nice, maybe a cut bow. Looks like a cut bow. We'll get him a drink. take that nymph out. It's kind of in the gill there, but you can just pop it. You get it? No, I think you got it.
I did. So we can actually just let him go.
So you can either just scoop up, do it out of the net, or you can grab him and face him in the current and let him swim off.
Ready?
Very well done. That was the one that hit a minute ago that you missed the first time.
That's amazing.
Nice job. She caught another one upstream. Look at that. That's pretty cool. There's a nice beaver here at 12 o'clock. Right behind Mike's head. That thing was freaking huge.
He's here for dinner.
It's not small.
That thing looked like it was 40 pounds.
I thought that was a long. I was watching it thinking, damn, that was like, crossing over where we did.
Oh, cool. Oh, was that a fish? No. Mike caught a stick.
Good trout.
I'll get it for you.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh, Esther, he might be up to your waist. Anything you want, you got it. Anything you need. Beautiful evening here in Montana, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, look at that, man. Your own personal unsnagger. Yay!
Hey, just stay right there for a while, will you?
There you go.
Thank you very much.
I'm gonna bring some herring to try to catch some crab or a flounder. Or salmon with a herring. I mean, they will take one.
Okay.
They'll take one out, just like last time, right, Dad? Mm-hmm. That one took off with it.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Yeah, you've been catching a lot of fish out of the ocean lately.
Crabs. Bullhead.
What?
I caught a little bullhead about like this big, and then I caught one about like this big.
Good afternoon in small town Idaho. Awesome little place. About 1,000 people live in this little community. One of my guilty pleasures is going to fly shops. Get to check out a brand new fly shop for the first time. Oh, we do. We need masks. Dominic says we need masks, so that's cool. So we'll do that. They'll appreciate that. We'll get our mask on and we'll go shopping for some flies, baby. He is about 5 inches. I don't know if I've seen one that small in a long time, if ever. I found a garter snake with a sculpin in his mouth. He'd half swallowed the sculpin, and he was working on getting it down. So he was kind of vulnerable. So I just grabbed him, got the GoPro, and got some amazing footage. And then I let him go, and then I saw Dominic, so I was like, hey, I wanted to show Dominic. So I grabbed the snake the second time, and then that time he let him go. He let the sculpin out of his mouth. I guess he felt more like his own life mattered more than the meal that he had at the moment. So I think I just stole that snake's dinner. What's that?
Interesting find.
Hey! Wow, nicely done, buddy. Way down there too, huh? Really? It's a bow, it's nice. Dude, it's 12, 13, it's amazing fish. Wow. That's so badass. Thing's hooked real good. There you go. I'm gonna do let's do an underwater release.
It's kind of goofy. He has a broken back.
Oh, he does have an interesting thing going on here, huh?
Put the camera under one and kind of face the fish. There you go. And then we're gonna watch this. Look how cool this is gonna be. Oh, how cool is that? Oh. Look at the color on that. Look at that beautiful cutthroat trout, baby. Woo! Look at that fish, man. Seen that pretty in a while?
Oh, so gorgeous.
A little bit bigger than yours, or about the same size? About the same size, right?
About the same size, yeah.
Alright, you get the next one, huh?
Wow.
What do you think, guys?
Beautiful fish. Nicely done. It'll work right now?
It's probably a little fast.
I can hold it. I'll hold
Just
tight.
get it.
It ran into my hand. So
Wow. You hit that big stonefly. Yeah, baby, that's a hog. Look at that fish. That's a 19, 18. That's a wow, yeah, that's a real nice fish of the day, buddy. That's 2 pounds. Nancy, can you maybe hold the net so I can get like a little video with him?
yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. And then I'm gonna back up and then just get you like smile at, yeah, there you go. Oh yeah, nice catch. All right. Dominic McKenzie with a nice cutthroat trout. Yeah, baby.
Oh man.
All right.
Pump boy.
That's a stumper. All right, let him go whenever you're ready.
On the water release on him?
Dude, that'd be so sweet. Nicely done, buddy. Nicely done. Nicely done, guys. That was a tank. Really nice cutty here. Probably 16 or so. Look at that fish.
What the heck? What?
I hate only using 3-pound fish. It takes so long.
Long to land them. Wow, beautiful. So did you see what happened with that second fish? Why the heck did it jump out? Oh my gosh.
Esther's hooked up to a 5-pound rainbow, give or take. How's that feel, Es?
Keep that rod straight up, and if he goes towards this way,
This way?
Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. Up, 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 up.
Oh my gosh.
The size of that trout. That is a 4 5-pound fish, give or take. Ish. All right, push that hand up on the back to make the tail go up a little bit. There you go. How's that feel?
Wow.
Look at that rainbow. That's what, 22, 23 inches or more?
That is the biggest fish I've
3, 4, 5 pounds.
Wow.
Nicely done, Esther. You gonna let him go?
Yeah.
Let's try it again. Nice and loud.
Been too long.
With gusto.
But should we?
Okay.
Welcome to another episode of Fish and Fly with Gus. My name is Esther. You can call him Gus, and this is our adventure.
Can we raise the volume like two times?
Yeah.
Or do you need to get stuff in the woods?
Well, I hope you really enjoyed this episode. There is a lot more coming right here on Fish and Fly with Gus. Good luck to all of you on your fishing and adventure endeavors. And as always, folks, remember, adventure on!